Hi, financial education is an important life skill that can help children succeed both in and out of school. Here are 5 tips to help your child get ahead in school through financial education. Number 1. Teach the value of money. Start by teaching your child the value of money and how to manage it wisely. Explain to them the difference between wants and needs and encourage them to save their money for the things they really want. Number 2. Set an example. Children learn by watching their parents, so be a good financial role model. Let your child see you save money, make wise investments, and live within your means. Number 3. Involve your child in household finances. Discuss your family finances with your child in an age appropriate way. Involve them in decisions about how money is spent and saved and encourage them to ask questions. Number 4. Encourage entrepreneurship. Encourage your child to start a small business. It might be even a lemonade stand or like selling handmade crafts. This can teach them about basic business concepts like profit and loss and also help them develop an entrepreneurial spirit. Number 5. Use online resources. There are many online resources available to help teach children about financial responsibility, including games, interactive tools, and also educational videos. Encourage your child to use these resources and ask questions if they don't understand something. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and for more informative contents, please subscribe to my channel.